Welcome everyone to today's lecture on creating a safe and inclusive workplace environment. As workplaces become more diverse, creating an environment where everyone feels safe, respected and included is not just a matter of ethics. It's a necessity for productivity and success. We will explore how to foster a culture of safety, equality and inclusion where every individual, regardless of gender, race or background, can thrive. A safe and inclusive workplace allows everyone to bring their full selves to work without fear of discrimination, harassment, or exclusion. When employees feel safe, they are more likely to collaborate, share ideas, and contribute to the success of the organization. Conversely, unsafe and exclusive environments lead to higher turnover, poor morale, and lower productivity. Consider the case of a company where women and minority employees reported feeling excluded from important meetings. Over time, this exclusion led to a lack of diversity in decision-making and stifled innovation, impacting the company's bottom line. When the company implemented inclusive practices, they saw a boost in employee morale, creativity, and overall performance. One of the first steps in creating a safe workplace is to enforce a clear zero-tolerance policy for any form of harassment, discrimination, or bullying. Employees need to know that any inappropriate behavior will have consequences, and companies should ensure that there are clear reporting mechanisms in place. Diversity and inclusion committees can act as a driving force for creating a more inclusive workplace. These committees should be diverse themselves and have the power to suggest policies, conduct workshops, and monitor the progress of inclusivity initiatives. An inclusive workplace promotes open and honest communication. Employees should feel comfortable expressing their concerns and ideas without fear of retaliation. Regular feedback channels, whether through anonymous surveys or face-to-face meetings, ensure that everyone's voice is heard. Training programs that educate employees on unconscious bias, cultural sensitivity, and gender equality are crucial in fostering a more inclusive culture. DEI training not only raises awareness but also equips employees with the tools to recognize and challenge exclusionary behaviors. Leadership plays a critical role in setting the tone for an inclusive workplace. When leaders actively promote and model inclusivity, it sends a message to the entire organization that equality is valued. Leaders should be transparent in their actions, hold themselves accountable, and ensure that diversity and inclusion goals are part of the company's mission. Workplace should also ensure that underrepresented groups have safe spaces where they can share experiences, offer mutual support, and discuss concerns. Employee resources groups or women, LGBTQ+ employees, and racial minorities can foster a sense of belonging, allowing these groups to network, mentor, and advocate for change within the organization. Coming to an end, this lecture was all about creating a safe and inclusive work environment for all genders. For that to happen, it is important to create an environment for women that is in their best interest. This includes creating safe spaces for underrepresented groups and ensuring the role of leadership in promoting inclusivity. This was all about our course on workplace gender inequality. For more interesting topics, do explore eduta.org.